Welcome everyone. This is the busiest shopping weekend of the year of our retail empire. Thousands of customers are trying to use our loyalty rewards app, but suddenly the checkout is failing. Our IT team is scrambled. Everyone says what's happening. One person says, I think it's a database in London. I think it's a cloud server in New York City. In a multi-billion dollar retail business, thinking isn't enough. We need to know what exactly it is, what's causing the issue. So, today we are starting our journey to build the ultimate CMDB. So, stick on to this course and you will learn how to build the right CMDB and how we should govern this. Let's get started. All right, so let's talk about spreadsheet chaos versus the retail engine. For years, Nowvengers manage IT like a warehouse using a static spreadsheet, but a spreadsheet is just a graveyard. It's a dead data. In ServiceNow instance, our CMDB is a living, breathing engine. It does not just list our point of sale of terminals or a web server, it stores the DNA of how they talk to each other. When a store in Tokyo goes offline, the CMDB just not say, hey, there's a hardware failure. It tells us exactly which retail service is impacted and which AI agent is ready to work on it and fix it. Now we just saw the spreadsheet. We know there is a CMDB. Okay, we need to fix it. How do we fix it? Let's build the Nowvengers digital library. Think of Nowvengers' entire IT world as a massive library. We have 50,000 of components, books, from Wi-Fi routers in our stores to AI model in the cloud. It's massive data. If you have 50,000 books but no catalog, you don't have a library. You have a pile of papers. That's it. The CMDB is our library catalog. It tells us where every book is, who wrote it, what other books is connected to each other. That's how it is in CMDB. Without it, our hardware is just an expensive metal. With it, we have a searchable, actionable of digital retail power. That's the beauty of the CMDB. Treat it as a library, not just a pile of papers. All right, let's dive into the demo and have a quick look what is CMDB Workspace. All right, to manage this library, what we just talked about in our previous just few minutes ago, we use our new command center, the CMDB Workspace. How do we find that? If you go on the Workspace tab, click on CMDB Workspace. This is how the CMDB Workspace looks like. This is your command center. Look at the top of the page. You have intelligent search over here, where you can search the data based on the type. Hey, give me all the POS related terminals. You can use normal words to find out your data. Below that, you have trends. We have what's new, how many new applications, services are there, what is the health of your CMDB and everything. So this is just a single cockpit of your entire organization where you can see your data, how they're performing. Yeah, so what? We have actually a CMDB, but what is the real value we're getting out of it? This is the hero moment, the impact analysis. Imagine a database in our data center fails. In old days, we would have wait for customers' complaints, but Nowvengers, we use the CMDB to see the upstream impact instantly. We see that this is the specific database support our global online checkout system. We can get an alert on our stores managers and pivot to the backup servers before a sale is lost. That is the power of from I think to I know. You remember that? We capture that when people say I think. No, that's not you should do. I know how it's going to impact. And this is what the impact brings the CMDB if you do it in a right way. So let's talk about the training labs. So in my future videos and this video, I will provide you the step-by-step guidance to how to perform this action and learn about CMDB. So I'll also put the link in the description. So this is our workspace. Let's start with what is CMDB Workspace. How I told you where to navigate and how to navigate the CMDB Workspace. Let's type, you can search based on all application service, and then it gives you all related data. Give a try in your system, you'll get more information about it. Then you can click on the management tab over here to view how the recent activity is happening in my CMDB. So you can click on the rejected CIs, what are the duplicate CI counts and everything. You can also have the recent activity happened in last few days. So you can click on, hey, there's a new CI or updated in the recent dates. You can see in that way. Plus, you can go much more and explore by yourself. Of course, you have management tools. We will talk about that in detail in upcoming futures and upcoming chapters. So please stick to that. But these are just a first episode of it. Don't be overwhelmed about it. Like what are the important actions, how to play all these links, what are query builders, data manager. We will cover everything. And that's it. That was the first chapter. We quickly learned about what is CMDB, why it is important, what it brings the value in our Nowvengers company. So yeah, stick more to my YouTube channels. Weekly, I will upload one episode and one chapter about the next video. So stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel to keep updated by yourself. And thank you very much.